welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas and to another dupe check video. Today we are comparing Zoya's Jessica from the new Splash Collection to Zoya's older shade. I'm not sure when it came out. It's called Landon, and it is a very similar purple that you guys can see here so far. I don't remember if this is one that anybody suggested, but I kind of went through my whole entire Zoya collection and tried to find. But as you guys can see here, side by side, these polishes look very similar. It kind of looks like Landon might be a tad bit darker, but for all intents and purposes, it's going to look like this is going to be in the dupe category. So formula-wise, they're very similar. Zoya's creams in general are very consistent and very consistent throughout their whole entire collection. I feel like for all the time, all of the years that I've been using Zoya, their creams have stayed basically the same, which is really good if you want to count on consistency. So as you guys can see, we're going to apply Landon now, and Landon looks so much like Jessica. Definitely on this first coat, it applies virtually the same. We're kind of seeing it see-through in the same spots, so you definitely can tell they're both going to need 2 coats. And here you kind of possibly get the idea that Landon might be a teeny tiny bit darker, but also just because of honestly like the lighting, that's probably what's going to show up too. So I feel like this is definitely going to be in the dupe category, which is kind of exciting because that means you won't necessarily need to purchase Jessica if you already have Landon. So let's do the second coat and really see what comes through. We have definitely reached full coverage on Jessica. Now let's see about Landon. I have a feeling that Landon's going to be good in 2 coats as well, because like I said, Zoya's creams are just very consistent. You can count on them. They're easy to work with, and it is super nice. And here in 2 coats, these look very similar. I don't see a need for anyone needing to have like both of these in their collection, in my opinion, if that makes sense. They are so close side by side that honestly you could have both of these on your nails and nobody would be able to tell that you have 2 different nail polishes on. I definitely would consider these 2 to be a dupe. Even in the bottles, they look so close. So this is definitely one that if you already have Landon, you do not need to get Jessica. But if you want Jessica or Landon, you're good either way because both of them have very consistent formulas and they're easy to work with, and that is really good. You just know Jessica is from a brand new collection. If you are purchasing the collection as a full, that's going to be an easy way to get that shade. So what do you guys think? Do you definitely think this is a dupe, or do you think, you might need both of them? I definitely feel like they're a dupe category. So that is it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with another new video. Bye!